Hey everyone, welcome back to the Awesome Lindsay channel. I'm going to show you how we did this little water setup shoot, the lighting setup and then the camera setup. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you that real quickly. All right, so the styling, we have a bunch of CBD products and we have this tray, it's an acrylic tray. We filled it with water so we can do some ripples. We have these little acrylic kind of riser thingies that we have everything on kind of stylized. We bought these fake plants to lay out in the around the edges for framing. I'm going to turn on lights one by one just to show you what I've done. Right here I have this really higher light, creating some long shadows here. And then on the back here I have this other backlight. These are all Paul C. Buff Einsteins. So this backlight here just lights up the back a little bit, as you can see. And then I have a third light here, another Einstein. Turn this guy on. So this other Einstein is shining through a scrim for some really soft light, and it's shining light onto the products here. I thought I was going to need a fourth light, and I set up a scrim over here for that, but it actually didn't work out, or didn't really add too much to it. So I left the scrim up just for a little bit of bounce back onto the side here, and that's why that scrim is there. The brightest light is this one, creating the shadow, followed by this next light, maybe a stop or so below it. And then the back light is about half a stop below this light, just creating a wider background. A little bit of a gradient though, that's why I have it on one side, so the gradient will fall off. And then I'm shooting this on a Nikon D610 with a 85 1.4 lens. I'll turn the camera on so you can see what the image looks like, and I'll post one up on screen. All right, everyone, hopefully that gives you an idea of how we did this shoot. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments field. I'll do my best to answer them, and thanks everyone for watching.